बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये लेसन 24 है टॉफल सीरीज़ फॉर द बिगिनर्स का। इसमें हम नेगेशन का टॉपिक कवर करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। नेगेशन मेक सेंस टू मेक अ सेंटेंस नेगेटिव add the negative particle not after the auxiliary or verb be. So if there is no auxiliary or be in your sentence, the appropriate form of do, does or did will be placed after the word, and the verb not will be used after that. Do, does and did. So for example, the John is rich. John is singular subject and this is simple present, so we don't need to worry about कि हमने do, does or did इस्तेमाल नहीं करना, because we have auxiliaries in the sentence already. So we'll just place the word not after is. So John is not rich. Sandra is going to Hawaii. Sandra is not going to Hawaii. Mark has seen Bill. Mark has not seen Bill. Mary can leave now. Mary cannot leave now. So just to get the idea कि अगर आपके पास helping verb मौजूद है, in order to make this sentence negative, you just add the word not after this helping verb is. However, these examples where we don't have any auxiliaries, so we will use the word do, does and did. Again, for the reminder, do इस्तेमाल होगा in simple present tenses where आपका subject है plural. Does इस्तेमाल होगा in your simple present tenses where your subject is singular, and did will be used in all the past tenses regardless आपका subject की plurality है या singular है. So for example, Marvin likes spinach. Marvin is singular because this likes shows this simple present tense, so it simply converts into Marvin does not like spinach. तो जो इसमें does not को हम इस तरीके से contract करके भी लिख सकते हैं. Isaac went to class, so it's a past tense, so Isaac did not go to class. एक और रिमाइंडर आपको होना चाहिए कि जब भी हम did इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो इसके बाद हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म इस्तेमाल होगी। हम चूँकि हमने पास्ट टेंस को शो कर दिया है विद द वर्ड डिड, सो अब इसके बाद हमारे पास जो भी वर्ब होगा दैट विल कम इन इट्स सिंपल फॉर्म. Third example says they want to leave now. So this is a simple present tense, but subject आपका plural है. As a result, they don't want to leave now. That's how it will be formed. So this was all about negation. If you like the topic, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.